don't know if I want to do this.
It's too late.
Oh my gosh,
Look
you
at
guys.
how big that hair is.
Whoa! Hola, bienvenidos a Clevver Style.
Hola, amigos. Bienvenidos a Beauty Break, a.k.a. welcome to Beauty Break. Today's episode is going to be fully en español. That's a lie. That's not true.
That's a lie. But instead, we're going to talk science. But before you guys think that it's going to be boring, it's actually going to be really dope. We're going to use this digital microscope. We're going to go where no one has gone before. And
Purposefully. I don't know if I want to go to this place.
to the surface of our faces, but like up close. And we're going to look at our faces with old makeup on and new makeup on.
Great idea. Let's get started.
So, contrary to popular belief, I have no makeup on right
You
now.
actually, you have literally the skin of a baby's bottom.
Really?
Yeah, it's
I've
like
never
glowing.
touched a baby's bottom, so I wouldn't know.
I'm like, I have many times.
Okay, so do you want to go first? Because I don't want to go first.
Yeah, I'm dying to go first. We have no makeup on. This is our nude face, my
Bare.
nude face, our bare faces.
We're so Jennifer Garner right now.
Oh my gosh, if I ever had a movie made about my life, I would want Jen Garner to play me.
I know, me too.
Thank you so much. We'll see what we can do.
Okay, guys, so we have this Wi-Fi digital microscope. We're going to turn it on, and what's really cool is that it's hooked up to an app on your phone. You sync up the Wi-Fi, which we're going to do now on the app, and then you can see everything up close through the app. You know when you guys go to a hotel and they have that up close mirror on the wall?
Yep, I
That
don't
thing
like that.
is dangerous.
And it's like also there's a light, so it's like, oh my gosh, let me freak myself the F out before I have to go out amongst the world. So just put that little tiny thing on my
my
face.
hell is being in front of that little mirror with a tweezer.
Oh
my gosh,
Look
you
at how
guys.
big that hair is.
Oh my god,
That
this
is-
is a bug's life.
Look at this area too.
Wait, but you're glittery. Do you see the glitter?
Oh,
Did
it's
you put
because I
glitter
just
your
put on the
skin?
Kylie Jenner vitamin C serum. Ding.
Let's look at your eyebrow.
Ew!
Oh my god, it's so gross.
Eyebrows have never been weirder.
Is it? I hate hair.
Oh, whoa. Look at all that hair.
Look
That's
at your
a peach
fuzz. Whoa.
Damn. There's got to be...
What is
Oh, gross. What are those?
Those are black hairs.
I have
between
black
your
hairs
peach
over
fuzz.
here. I have like a whole mutton chop happening I didn't even know was there.
Oh! Wait,
Wait, what was
Wait,
that?
what was that? How do we find it again?
Where did that go?
You had like two
I
little
don't know where
random
it
black
went.
hairs. Where is it? We gotta find it. I feel like I'm on Mars trying to look for like our
This
rover.
is literally the surface of the moon.
What is that?
I don't know.
That's a hair, Joss.
No.
Does anyone have a tweezer? Does anyone have a tweezer?
What is that darkness? What is that sad? What is that sad tale?
Ew, we are gross.
I'm disgusted.
No, you're not disgusting. You are
What is
beautiful.
that?
What is that, Joss?
Is that alive? Is that a blackhead? What is that?
I feel like David Attenborough in Our Planet. Have you
I
ever
don't
seen
know
it?
those
He's
words.
like,
Scientists now believe these bacteria could provide new solutions to human diseases.
okay, Joss, let's look at your lips now.
Okay.
This is gonna be so weird. What do you think we're gonna see? Go like this.
Just put it all.
Ew! Do
It
you-
looks like a vagina situation, doesn't it?
Well, we do have lips on our vagina.
All right, Naz, I think we should go in the same order. Start with the mustache area. You don't have a mustache.
No, I do, and I don't know if I want to do
It's
this.
too late.
This is scary.
Naz, you have nothing on your face.
Keep going. You gotta look for it.
You have. What is going on? Are you human?
Zafran.
Naz, is this broken? No, you look at. This is so unfair. Look at my mustache, and then look at Naz's. She doesn't have one.
You guys, I told you I hate hair. I really try to emulate the naked mole rat on Kim Possible. No, but come on. Go on my nose. I have some freckles on my nose. Ew! Oh my god! Oh my god!
The hell?
That's disgusting.
Naz. Oh my gosh, it's because I think you have some makeup remnant.
Oh my god, ew, I look like my grandfather's toe. Oh my god, I'm so scaly.
I mean, I was a fish human. Oh whoa, this is.
What is that?
What's what? Are those like little?
Oh my god,
Those are like hair follicles.
Okay guys, do you want to know a secret that I actually
Yes.
haven't told anyone and
What?
I don't even know if I want
Wait,
to
did you get your head lasered?
I
or
don't know if
something?
I want to disclose this information. It's so,
So you do
embarrassing.
it. Okay, what'd you do?
Put it right there. So I have a widow's peak and I hate it, so I pluck it. Is that so weird?
I thought it was gonna be something way
so
weirder.
those are the hairs. I know, but that's disgusting.
But widow's peaks are so in. Remember Eddie Munster?
I mean, like I like Kourtney Kardashian's, but I didn't. It wasn't a look for me.
Here, let's look
Look
through your
at
lip.
teeth. Let's look at my teeth.
Ew, what's that?
That's a
You have a lip hair?
Where?
Is it under?
Where is the lip hair?
Let me see. Oh, Naz, that's like a little hair growing right betwixt your lip and
Ew,
your
is that a
chin.
pimple?
I don't know. Where is that?
Joslyn,
Literally,
get
you
it out.
cannot.
Get
but,
it out.
But
Get
you
it
can't
out.
see anything.
There's a black hair growing out of my lip.
No, I think it's below your lip.
Where is it? Do you see it in real life?
No, I can't see
Is
anything.
it
Your
there
skin is
IRL?
flawless.
You guys, what we're discovering is that up close with a microscope, there are random little black hairs growing on our faces, and we can't see them in real life.
But we're mammals. Let us live. Okay, that's
true.
why.
That's
I mean,
true.
if you want to be a mammal, I don't know if we want to be mammals. What else would we be?
Okay, I want to go inside my nose,
Oh my gosh!
but
yes.
I hate the inside.
Do you have a lot of nose hairs?
Yeah.
What?
Ew.
Oh my gosh! You have a.
Is that a booger?
Whoa.
Achoo! No,
Oh.
I'm kidding.
So over here we have a pile of old makeup, and over here we have a pile of new makeup. We're gonna take a look at all of it under the microscope, obviously. Then we're gonna put it on our faces and see what it looks like on there.
To translate, aquí tenemos maquillaje que es
Sí.
viejo y aquí tenemos maquillaje. Okay, let's just see.
See,
I can't see.
maquillaje.
All right, let's look at a new makeup brush and see what this
Okay.
looks like.
It looks. Ooh.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, that looks like art, like something you'd buy on Etsy.
Really, I was thinking more like a Dr. Seuss character.
Let's pick out the. Oh, this is truly dusty. There's lint on top.
Okay, so let's look at
This
the
is an
one.
old one. Oh. Oh.
Ew, it literally looks like an
gosh.
old version of what we just saw.
It looks like it's been.
Ew, this
Oh,
looks like
there's
this
like
looks
human
like
hairs.
This looks like a hairball that a cat threw up.
Wow, I can't wait to put it on my face. All right.
Okay, I feel like the little things are really hard to see. So
For
let's
sure.
start- let's look at some
This is
larger
a new
items.
mascara, voluminous. I love this mascara.
I know, this is our fave.
Oh wow, that looks great.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Not a single hair, not a single skin follicle.
This looks like, you know, the dusters.
But like a French maid would carry this around and like clean. Okay, now I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, let's look at the old one. This is actually, guys, this is a great thing to have when you're buying a mascara, because you know how it's all about the brush and the bristles.
For sure, you could actually
when it comes to
see.
mascara, this way you can like see up close. Okay. Oh yeah. That's
It just looks
cool.
more dry, kind of. Oh, and there's something dangling from the top
Yeah,
of
what
it.
is that dangling?
It's like broken, maybe.
But you know what? This one kind of looks like cheaper and plasticky.
But it's definitely more expensive. It's
is?
buxom, yeah.
It looks like
old.
something in the ocean.
It does.
It
Like
does.
something very deep below.
Like a sea eel.
Ew. All right, let's do, I guess, a palette now.
Okay.
What do you say?
I say palette time. I'm actually really excited to look at all these colors.
Oh well, this one.
Should we
just
do the
fell
old one
apart.
first this time? Or should we
Yeah,
keep
let's
the
do
new?
it. Okay, it
Okay.
looks pretty much like what you'd expect it to look like, I think. This
Yeah.
one here, this color looks like it's seen some love. Oh.
Ew.
Yikes.
What is that called? Dust?
Does that ever happen to you? Like sometimes it happens to me where, oh whoa.
Oh my god, this looks like my burnt lasagna yesterday.
It does look like a corner of a brownie I'd like
It
to
looks
eat.
like
Okay,
Okay,
so
let's
that
look
was
at the new
old
palette.
one. This is the brand new one.
oh, beautiful. It looks exactly like how you would
Totally
think it looks.
untouched.
Yeah. Let's try and zoom in and get closer into the
Oh,
color.
that looks good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, that's kind of.
That's
It looks
pretty.
great. So, is it time to put this on? What do you think?
I think let's put it on and see
Okay.
what it looks like on our skin.
Great.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
So Naz has on all brand new makeup. So we're gonna take a look and see what's going on. Go for it.
Let's see if it looks any different. Here,
Oh,
I'll hold
here.
this for
Yeah.
you and
Okay.
then-
So let's kind of go in the same order. But we'll start with the cheek. Oh, look at that highlight.
Oh, now I'm a sparkly fish.
Okay, now let's move on to, I guess, the eyebrow.
Yeah, let's do eyebrow because I try to put a lot of matte shadow.
Oh, so you can like barely see the makeup, but it's there.
It's there.
It's weird, right?
This is so weird.
Let's do, I guess, your nose. Did you put face makeup on?
Yeah, I
then-
put foundation on.
Oh, yep. Sparkles galore.
Ew, my nose is so gross. Let's get off my nose.
Really?
Okay, should we look at my lips now?
Yeah. Whoa! That's weird.
Ew, it looks like it shouldn't be on there.
It looks like the top of a donut. Oh my
Ew.
gosh. Oh my gosh, that's kind of cool looking though, Naz. Whoa. Hello. 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 I like this.
That's weird, Joss. I feel like it shouldn't be on there.
That's awesome looking.
That's so pretty.
That's like a framer right there.
See, thank God for makeup.
All right.
Okay, well, let's start on your skin first.
I'm
First of all, your jawline and cheekbone are everything.
Oh, thanks. So, pretty
Okay,
much
you're
still
still-
looks like a huge fish.
You're still a glittery, beautiful human. You put mascara on, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, let's look at your eyes because you did that before. Whoa.
That's strange.
It looks like just fake eyelash. You have great eyelashes.
Thank you so much.
Look at
Okay,
your
eyebrows. Basically, kind of the
similar.
same.
Pretty similar. Did you put anything on your lip?
I did.
It looks
Ew.
so crazy. Joss, what do you think? Old makeup or new makeup?
I think no makeup is what I'm into.
I think no makeup,
Yeah.
guys. That's what I'm gathering from this. Like, it feels like this should not, like, it doesn't feel natural if this is
because
on
it's
my lip.
literally not.
It's not.
No es natural, Naz.
No, it's not. You're so good. I'm so proud of you.
Gracias. I did minor in Spanish, so.
Muy bien, Joslyn.
Gracias.
All right, guys, so we're going to link this below in case you want to buy it because it has a very friendly price point.
It
So
surely does.
Tell us what else you guys think we should try with this thing. I really want to look at food.
I think there's a lot of things I do and don't want to look at, like the toilet. On that note, I have to say, suscríbete, por favor, y gracias por viendo este programa.
Sí, adiós, amigos. Te queremos mucho.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Besos.
Bye.
I know that was a riveting episode of Beauty Break, and I know it also looks like I was just making out with someone because I took my lip stuff off. But there's another episode you should watch right now.
It is.
right there.
It's another episode of another video of Clevver Style.
If you subscribed, you probably would have already seen it, but you can do that while you're over there.
Yeah, do that too.